So hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to solve question number 1513, number of substring with only ones, right? So what we have to do here, we have to return the number of count of substring जिसमें कि सारे कैरेक्टर केवल और केवल वन हो. ठीक है, देयर शुड बी नो जीरो इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द सबस्ट्रिंग, राइट? For example, in this case there are total 9 substring with only one characters, right? Only one type of character, and that is one, right? So let's see how we can solve this approach, solve this problem, right? Or if you see that acceptance rate is almost 50%, so it's a pretty tricky problem, right? We can say so. So let's see on the board. तो वी आर गिवन एन एरे, ठीक है. सो 0 1 1, let me select. So we are given 0 and 1 1 0 and 3 1, right? And we can see that there are total 9 substring. How we can say total 9 substring? Because every one itself is a substring and have only one type of character, and that is one. So we can take, and there are total 5 substring with only one character with one. 5 वो हो गए. फिर 1 1 will be also a substring with only one type of character, right? तो how many 1 1 are there? एक यहाँ पे है और एक यहाँ पे मिलेगा, ठीक है, और एक ये वाला, ठीक है. मतलब एक ये वाला और एक ये वाला, टोटल 3, ठीक है. एंड देयर इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबिलिटी फॉर 1 1 1, एंड दैट विल बी दिस वन, that will be this one, because if we see that these are 1 1 1, right? और अगर टोटल ऐड करेंगे तो 5 3 8 plus 1 9, 9 will be the answer, ठीक है. Question might be, you might think of sliding window all these things, but this is very straightforward question. हमें करना क्या है? What we have to do is we have to only and only we have to count the length of substring with only one टाइप ऑफ कैरेक्टर, राइट? जैसे कि अगर यहाँ पे देखें, दिस इज अ सबस्ट्रिंग विथ ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ कैरेक्टर, एंड दैट इज वन, राइट? और यहाँ पे भी देखेंगे अगर सबस्ट्रिंग मिलेगी जिसमें कि केवल एक ही है, ओनली वन, right, in this substring. So there are two substring with only one, this one and this one, and if I count the length of these things, so this will be 2 और इसका जो लेंथ होगा वो होगा 3, ठीक है, right? So could you tell me that, let's say I have 1 1 1, could you tell me that how many substring will be there? Possibly there will be how many substring will be there? N into n plus 1 by 2. If n is here, length of string, let's say length of array, length of, if n is length of array, then possible number of substring sub array, right? number of sub array कितना होगा? n into n plus 1 by 2, ठीक है. अगर n नंबर ऑफ लेंथ ऑफ एरे है, इफ n इज इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ एरे, देन हाउ मेनी सब एरे विल बी पॉसिबल, एंड दैट विल बी n इंटू एन प्लस 1 बाई 2. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे कि इसका 1 1 से बनने वाले कितने सब एरेज होंगे, दैट विल बी 2 इंटू 2 प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. और यहाँ पे कितने सब एरेज बनेंगे? 3 इंटू 3 प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. अगर हम इनको सम करें हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा 9. सो द क्वेश्चन बॉइल्स डाउन, here we have to find only, right, we have to find only length of subarray having one character, right, having only one as a element, right? We have to find the length of subarray having only one as its element, right? और बाद में हम ऐड कर देंगे. सो द क्वेश्चन इज ओनली, सो लेट्स कोड इट अप, राइट? वी ओनली हैव टू calculate the length of total length of subarray having one as their element. Okay, now let's code. I'm going to code in the Python. You can code in any language, right? And one more thing, guys, answer could be too large, so we have to return a modulo of, right? So I will say that mod equal to 10 9 plus 7, j equal to 0, let's say count, let's say I don't really need a count, so what I will do is answer equal to 0, and then while j is less than length of s, and value, let's say val equal to s of j, if val equal to 1, then I will count how many repeating ones are there. We have to count that. Then what I will do is I will make a previous pointer as I, and then while j is less than length of s, in fact, in fact I have to do is while s of j plus 1 equal to s of j, right, and j plus 1 is less than length of s, and I did it so that it does not go out of bound. Then what I will do, I will j plus equal to 1, I will keep increasing the j, and it will reach at a point where we can find the size of the repeating ones. So what I will do is, let's say size equal to j minus, it will be j minus I plus 1. This is the size of subarray, right? This is the size of, so so this while loop, what this while loop does, it took all the repeating ones, right? And then size will tell me that how the size of repeating one, and then in answer what I will do, answer plus equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, I will take the formula. So size star size plus 1 divided by 2. So I did a integer division. So whenever you multiply size into size plus 1, it will be always even, right? Size into size plus 1 will be always even. So their division will be also even, so I don't need to worry that there will be any float. There will not be any float. And then what I will do, I will increase the j, right, and then at the end I will return the answer. So if I run it, so submit it. I think I messed up somewhere, like size. Okay, I had to take the mod. I forgot to take the mod. Okay, now you can see that I have submitted it. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.